Hello children, here we are with the next assignment of craft. We are going to prepare a paper boat as you can see on the screen. So, are you all ready with your papers? Come on, let's begin making the craft boat now. With the craft paper that we are having, we have to fold the square paper into a rectangular shape. The rectangular shape will be pressed and you have to get a crease on the rectangle side. Fold it again to the edge to get a square shape like this. Now one side of the square is open like this. One paper you have to fold to the opposite end to get a triangular shape like this. The three sides, three flaps of the paper which is left over, you have to fold it to the other side of the triangle like this. Now, after folding it, press and get a crease. Remember, you have to fold it to the edge. Now, to the straight side, you push your thumb inside and open the cap, and both the diagonals you join like this and press it properly. The three triangle side and one triangle side you have to pull out and open it. Slowly you do this process as the paper might tear. After that, you press the paper boat and get proper crease on that like this. Now your paper boat is ready to sail in the water puddle, children. There you go. If at all you don't have a colored craft paper, children, don't trouble your parents. Just get some white papers or the newspaper. You can even make the boat with newspaper. Yes, and if at all you have colored papers, you can very well make several boats and enjoy the rainy season. Can I give you one more idea on this? You can even make a small flag to support your boat. Numbers you can write according to you, or you can even make a decorative flag. With the help of toothpick, you can very well paste it on the boat. The toothpick and the flag can be pasted together, and the flag of course can be pasted with the boat. So here our boat is ready to sail in the water puddle. Let's enjoy the rainy season, children. Good day.